adaptations then? Saloni.
Physical adaptations is parts of body.
The part, it's like an actual part of their body, right? Yeah. Now, ooh, give me just a sec. So today we're going to talk all about physical adaptations. I'm looking for teams that are focused up here. They're sitting up, watching carefully. We're going to talk about physical adaptations with birds. Okay? Let's. So, for example, what bird is this?
Bald eagle.
It's a bald eagle.
But he's not bald.
Different birds have different kinds of beaks. They have certain adaptations, okay? Their beaks have grown a certain way for certain things. Look at the bald eagle's beak. What kind of food does a bald eagle eat? What do you think? There is a hand. Aoife. Meat. Yeah. How do you think this beak would help it eat meat? How do you think that helps, Gracie?
It could hold on with the part that curls over.
Yeah, that part that curls over. Do you see how it comes to a point? Yeah, that could totally be used to help like grab on and hold on, right? Yeah. So as you look at, we're going to look at a couple different kinds of bird beaks, and I want you to be able to try and make a good guess as to what their beak is used for. Okay?
Wait, don't the eagles grab their prey? So the eagle's name is
they do. And then let's talk about like how that helps out.
Nope.
Here.
That's the name.
Yeah, so their beak, they do grab fish with their feet, right? But then when they're actually eating their meat, they have to tear bits of it off to be able to eat it and swallow. Yeah. And so their beak, that little curved part, is meant to help them tear it apart. Okay? All right, how about a hummingbird? Look at a hummingbird's beak. What kind of food do you think a hummingbird eats, or what's its beak used for? Ella?
I think it's pollen.
Ah, it's a very good guess.
Because its beak is really thin, so it can get in there.
Yeah, now you're so close. I love it. Hummingbirds use their beak to suck nectar. So there's pollen that's also in a flower. So you were very close. But nectar is kind of like at the bottom part of a flower. So its beak is really long, so it can stick down into the flower and get the nectar at the bottom. Okay? How about this one? This is a woodpecker. What kind of food, or what do you think it uses its beak for? Nathan?
Wood.
Wood, and what does it do to that wood?
It breaks it so it can
Raise a hand, yeah. What does it do to that wood? Cooper?
It breaks it so that way it can stick its beak in and eat bugs.
Exactly what it does. So it uses its beak, sorry about that. It uses its beak to pound holes in the wood so it can stick its beak in and grab bugs, right? So you notice, yeah, its beak is long, but is it as skinny as a hummingbird's?
No.
No, it has to be thicker so it can pound that hole, but still be kind of long and skinnier to be able to reach inside and grab bugs. There's another woodpecker example. Okay, what about this bird? This is a crane. This is not a crane, a great blue heron. What do you think, what kind of food does this bird eat? Aoife? Fish. Yeah, why do you think fish? Yeah, why fish? Why do you think fish? You're right, by the way. Why would its beak help it catch fish? Why? Hunter.
Because, well, he's got a long neck, but his beak is also very long.
Yeah.
For water, and it also looks like he's old, but it's skinny on the bottom and it gets bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of skinnier at the tip and then bigger at the base, right? You did say something about its neck, which I think is really cool. It stabs fish. So you see that long neck there? What it does is it extends its neck out and it goes and stabs the fish with its beak. So that's why its beak is pointed.
Does it go really fast?
Mm-hmm. Cool, right? All right. We'll go through these last ones pretty quick. What about this bird? What do you think his beak is used for? Totally different shape than some of the others we've seen so far. What do you think, Josh?
Seeds?
Ooh, yeah! What made you think that?
Because, look at the beak. It's like this big.
and the bald eagles is like this big and.
Oh, and if you see
down.
the tip, it has like a little thing.
Ooh, so a couple things. One, how thick the beak is, like you were saying, right? It's a
Yeah.
big beak right here. Do you see? And then it has this little tip at the end. That is totally to crack open seeds. It uses its tip to kind of get a crack, and then its rest of its beak has to be pretty strong to crush that seed open. Kind of like a nutcracker, if you guys have seen a nutcracker before.
They're really cool.
I have a nutcracker.
Yeah, they're fun.
How about, that's a cardinal, by the way. How about this bird? What does this
Ooh,
bird
I
use
know
its
which
beak
one.
for?
This is easy.
What does this bird use its beak for? Sawyer.
It's also kind of like their one. It
Yeah.
uses it like fit fish.
It does use it to get fish. Ah. Yeah, so like the heron, does it stab fish?
No, it picks it up.
It
With
picks
its
it up.
With
He's just like
big,
flying
with its beak, it's the lower one's a lot bigger.
Yeah,
So it's have carry fish.
you're right. This is a pelican. They have a special kind of beak underneath right here. What you two were both saying, there's kind of this pouch that is really stretchy. So it scoops fish up. Scoops water and fish up instead of spearing. Just like this, see? So here's the bottom.
It carries so much fish.
That
Yeah.
doesn't look like a fish.
Cool, right? How about this bird? What does this bird do? You notice how its beak is really different looking?
It's like a triangle.
Yeah, what do you think this bird uses?
It's opening its mouth.
Yeah, right now
Lily.
its mouth is open.
I think it uses